Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mula, and today is Personal Development Day, Tuesday, June 13th, 2023. And it's entitled, How Can I Apply the Basic Lymphatic Modalities to Common Equine Disorders? Is it really worth my time and investment to do so? I would tell you absolutely yes, because the most common equine disorders we see will always impact the lymphatic system. And if you look at the chart here, I listed some of the most common lymphatic disorders, and then I wrote the congestion type. Is it visible or invisible? And then I classified it, is it connective tissue or lymphatic vessels? And this is why it becomes important for you to understand the introduction to connective tissue and how it plays in the equine system. And then I gave you the level that you would need in order to do these activities. But the column to the right is one of the most important ones. That column there is for you to put down the number of horses on a weekly basis that you see that has laminitis, abscesses, soft tissue injuries, navicular, whatever. And that when you look at that, now you can have a picture of what your journey of possibilities are. And then you can apply your numbers to it to see your potential income. I hope you found this helpful. So for more information on the HEAL Basic Professional Curriculum, go to www.healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. And for more information, you can email me at info@healequine.com. And better yet, schedule a call today to explore your journeys of possibilities in the basic professional curriculum as an equine lymphatic therapist and how it applies to equine common disorders. You can go to calendry.com/healequine/curriculum. And don't forget, put a ding in your universe for 2023. Believe in the possible.